Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to check for allowed characters in Python. If you want to check that a string contains only a certain sets of characters, in the case as lowercase characters or uppercase characters and digits, you can use this code over here. First, we are going to import RE module. Import RE for regular expression, and then I'm going to define our function allowed underscore cars, and we are going to pass in string that we are going to check for. And now we are going to compile our regular expression car expression, and this will be our car, our regular expression dot compile re dot compile, and our regular expression over here with the lower cases from A to Z, and then we have upper cases from A to Z, then our digit from 0 to 9, all the digits, and dot. And now we are going to set the string to our car underscore expression and call its function search and pass in our string. And now we can check our string if it matches the character we are looking for. And here we are going to return and check for not bool and pass in our string. And now we can test our function and print the result. And allowed cars, and we are going to pass in some characters such as A, B, C, D, and some uppercase too. A, B, C, 0, 0, 1, 2 for digit. And we are going to run our script, save and run our script. We can see it return true, so we are using the characters that are allowed. And now I'm going to use a character which are not allowed. I will just copy paste this line and change the characters. The string we are passing to our function, and now this time I'm going to add special characters which are not allowed, and this will be like $, asterisk, @, and just save and check the result. And we can see it return the false for the second one. So these characters are not allowed. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.